Hey y'all, happy St. Patrick's Day. Let's make a green beer. Why not? I have an ice cold mug I just pulled out of the freezer and a box of food coloring just from the dollar store. We're just needing green today. Here's a Coors Light. This is what I like to drink. Any beer will work. This is the one I'm using now. You want to tilt your glass when you're pouring to not have as much foam. Cold beer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Get you a long spoon. Doesn't have to be this long, just what I happen to have. Stir it in, give it a swirly. Ta-da, green beer. Cheers for everybody. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Everybody be safe, but have fun. Now, if you happen to have some really gullible friends, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. With the luck of the Irish, I don't know, say something the Irish people say. Here's a beer. Would you like a Bud Light? Yes, I would, thank you. Okay. Oh my goodness. How did that beer come out green? Cheers.